Namaskaram. Let's quickly discuss which are the Saptha Thalas or the 7 major rhythmic patterns in Carnatic music. Dhruva, Matya, Rupaka, Jampa, Truputa, Atta, Eka. These are the 7 major talas in Carnatic music. Now let's see the angas of all these 7 talas when it comes in Chaturashra Jati. All these jadis will be applicable to Lagu alone. The Anudrudam and Drudam won't be changed. Lagu means the beating and counting of the fingers. Anudrudam means just the beat, and Drudam means the beat and the flip. So for Dhruva Tala, 1, 0, 1, 1. That means Lagu, Drudam, Lagu, Lagu. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is Matya Tala. That means 1, 0, 1. Lagu, Drudam, Lagu. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is Rupaka Talam. Drudam and a Lagu. 0 and 1. So that is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next comes the Jampatala. 1 and then U and a 0. U means Anudrudam. So 1 Lagu, Anudrudam and a Drudam. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next comes the Triputatalam. When it is Chaturashra Jati Triputatalam, that is Aditalam. So 1, 0, 0. Lagu, Drudam, Drudam. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one is Adatalam. It is denoted by 1, 1, 0, 0. That means Lagu, Lagu, Drudam, Drudam. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last and easiest one, Ekatalam. That is denoted by 1. That means 1 Lagu. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these 7 talas are further divided into 35 more talas based on the Pancha Jatis. Pancha Jatis we have discussed in the previous episodes also. That means Tishra Jati, Chaturashra Jati, Khanda Jati, Mishra Jati and Sankirna Jati. So when it comes to Tishra Jati, that means 3 letters. Tishra Jati, Ekatalam, it will be 1, 2, 3. When it comes to Chaturashra Jati, that we have already discussed. When it comes to Khanda Jati, that means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When it comes to Mishra Jati, that means 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And Sankirna Jati, that is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just now I have showed only the Ekatalam. In the same way, the Lagus of the Jampa, Triputa, Matya, all these talams will be changed according to different Jatis. So this is how you make 35 more talas. So 7 basic talas into 5 jatis, that makes 35 talas. And into this 35 talas, if you introduce the gati, that means nadai, again pancha nadais, if you introduce that, it will again become 35 into 5, that means 175 talas. So if you know about all these 175 talas, it is really like, you can create magic in your choreographies. But what happens in the present days, we are using only the very common talas, that is Aditala, Rupaka Tala and Ekatala. These are the very few talas which we use in our present life. But if you are more interested in rhythm, you can create magic with this rhythmic patterns. It's really important to know about the Saptha Thalas before you choreograph anything in your dance. To know more about Nattuvangam, Thalam and Bharatanatyam, please subscribe to our channel. Hope this video was really helpful for all of you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Namaskaram.